Hey guys, so this is my journey from Lagos to Benue State. I came to the park and then I paid about 19,000 naira for the journey. It was a night journey, and it is my first night journey from Lagos to Benue State. I don't know what I was going to face, but I wanted to just do it and then see how it is. Because traveling in the morning, stress, traffic, and all of that. So I just said, okay, let me take. So I went to this place to buy this food, and I was eating. The food was not good, but I said, okay, let me just eat it. At this point, I just want to get something to in my stomach so that I'll be able to eat. Then from there, when I go, at least it will stay with me on the road till I reach my destination. So at this point, I was just eating as if they were forcing me. The food was tasteless. So I was just eating it. At this point, you have no choice than to eat because you don't know what you're going to face on the road when you are traveling at the midnight. So, guys, it was how my experience and what I experienced, what I saw, and you guys will look at it and then you see what happened to me. And the journey was good. So stay tuned to the end of this video so that you understand what I face on this particular day on this journey from Lagos to Benue State. Stay in Nigeria. So I was just eating. Yeah, I did not even look at the food because the food was just something else. Like, what is this? But I needed to just put something in my stomach so that at least I know that I'm ready for the journey. So after that, I pick up my phone and then those people, they just arrived, that they came from Benue State from like night bus, just arrived in the evening. So this is our bus when they were loading everything. A lot of people bought so many things, like it was so
They are loading the bus now, so
it was see some people
I will experience night journey for the second time
to maybe back to Benue State or wherever they were going.
I have my camcorder camera with me, so we'll start the journey
in the bus together.
All the experience. I hope I have time to record.
She had twins,
like everything.
We were here,
Feel the
we were
experience.
still loading, and by this time it was around I think 8 or to 9. It was around to 9. So then we hit the road. Something happened. We were stuck in the traffic just close to the park, and we spent almost 2 to 3 hours in this traffic because the traffic was much. So we wasted time. This woman was praying. So at this point, she was praying, and you can hear her voice when she was praying. But it was nice. Sometimes it's good to have people that are praying when you are traveling. So we sang. Well, sometimes it's not good to just pray and then go. But she was just singing, and we followed her and we sing. We were still stuck in the traffic. Then finally, the traffic was just moving like a bit. So that is me. It was dark, so you could not even see my face. So yeah, I was just looking around. At this point I was still tired. And one thing I want to say about those police on the road, yeah, they tried. It's not easy to stay on the road at that time. We're seeing this traffic. Can you imagine what really happened? There was this tank that a tanker that fell in front of us. So that was what was because that was the cause of the traffic. A tank fell in front of the road. Look at it. That is a tank. That's a tank. They were trying to move it. So that's a tank. Look at the tank there. If you look, you will see it. The reason why I'm making voice notes to this video is because of music copyright. Look at that tank there. That was the tank that fell. So we struggle at this point. We're almost leaving this space because look at the tank there. And after looking at it, and in Lagos, now small thing to cause traffic
on those states.
So at this point, we hit the road. We were going. Then
filling station trying to
this is on the state
for our
where
bus
we stopped
so that we can move.
We fill our
the
car,
journey is still far.
Our bus. So
and see, this is the bus,
and then
they have joined.
Everybody was happy at this point.
The bus.
But night journey, you don't know what you're going to face. So
I was sleeping, so I did not know.
And then I went to ease myself. I was just coming back from where I went to ease myself, and It was awesome. Night journey is good. It's calm, and this is me. And I was just, I think I went to buy Coke, and
To
it was that. Yeah, this
Coca-Cola,
is this is the Coke that I bought.
because I need some sugar
And it was just
in my
something that
body
would
right
take
now.
me
So
throughout the night. So
the highway.
yeah,
So
that was the energy
I
that
said,
I
go, I give you
got.
updates.
Then after that, we finished, and then when we get into the bus, then we almost look at me there. Just let me show my face so that people will see that I
Say,
was
you go to
really
Makudi.
on this journey. At this point, it was around 11 p.m. Yeah, this is around 11 p.m. So, but we hit the road with faith. At times in this life, you need to test some things and then see how life is on the other side. So, let me know if you have tried travel in the night like me for the first time. Let me know. So this is the bus, and the bus driver was discussing with the flight attendant. The guy did not even wear shirt. It was the guy was shirtless. Okay, so after that we hit the road. Some people had accident here. Look at that car. The car missed way, so the car just went into the bush. So we stopped to at least assist because it was midnight. So the other guy to reverse, and then he was just looking at, let's see what happened. And thank God it was not a bad accident. So we just drove, and then we helped them, and then they reversed. Then from there we zoom off. So this is us driving in the middle of the night. The middle of the night. But at this point it was around, I think it was around 2 p.m. So it was around
So
2
we are in
a.m.
Delta now.
and we're still going.
Where am I?
So at this point, this was early
We're
hours
in Delta.
in the morning when we
Where
got
am I that
to
way?
Delta Asaba. I think it was around 4 p.m. Sorry, it was around 4 a.m.
So
So
we're in
when we
Delta
got to
now.
Asaba, and then
We're
we're
putting
still ferrying our car.
fuel.
So we're still
Stopping
ferrying our
fuel.
bus. So it was a nice journey and good experience. Yeah, for me, I really enjoyed the journey. But
I'm
oh
making
my
this video
legs, this is a
around
driver. The man is
4
very
a.m.
good. He's a good driver.
So right now we are
And this way I
in
went to use my cell
Delta
phone. We're just
State.
coming back. You can see some other
And
buses
this is
parked
4 a.m.
so that they will start their journey
We'll
in the
soon
morning
be
going back to Lagos.
heading
So we
to
were just coming from
Onitsha, that's
Lagos
Anambra
to
State.
Benue State.
So flight
Yeah,
is
it's a journey that takes you
still
almost
giving us
like
the
it's
flight
almost like
vibes.
18 to
Yeah.
20 hours when you are coming from Lagos to Benue
Yeah.
State. And because of the bad roads, you experience.
So
I was trying to just talk here, but because of the
it's a night
background
journey
music, then I'll have to mute it because of
to experience
what do you
it.
call it, copyright issue. I don't want to have copyright on my video, so that's why I'm so sorry, guys. You could not hear the sound of what I experienced. So at this point,
So
we
this
went to
is
the
my seat.
bus, and then we're here. Okay, it was the first bus that people were entering. So
My
this is our
seat.
bus. This is where I was sitting.
Hey,
This is
my
my
water
seat,
remote from.
and the seat was so small.
I'm
So
my
for it to
water here
just
for
lay back, it's uneasy for me. But
safety.
sometimes I would just force myself to sleep. At the point when that is my bottle water. I just use it to hold my
Yeah.
tongue. Sometimes when you want to sleep and you don't have a choice, you just force yourself to just make yourself comfortable. All this moves back. So I say, okay, let me just help this woman with her twins. I had one, and I was just playing with the baby. Yeah, playing with the baby. Yeah, when you enter a bus with people, you are just like one family. You know, the experience, the love, you share food together, and then you become like one family. So after that, the family went. So we hit the road again. So this is we're heading to Onitsha Bridge, the bridge that links Onitsha, Anambra to Asaba. So we're just on the bridge here driving. And one thing about this I want to say about this bridge, there's not the light here. I don't think is enough. I think this should increase the light here. You can see it's not enough, but we thank God. So at this point, it was early hours of the morning. At this point, we're at Enugu State. So look, that's me. Yeah, you drove throughout the night. It was not easy, but look at how I was looking. I was looking tired and then sleepy. So, but anyhow, we must move. There was no attack on the road. We're just coming, and then the police were there. The army were there on the road throughout the night. So we did not. There was no attack at all. At this point, that's where we got to bad roads, and it was really, really, really bad. But they're trying to fix this road from, I think, from Benue State to Nightmare. So this is why the road is like this. So at this point, we were at Enugu in the morning. So we had a little vehicle breakdown, and then the driver just fixed it. It was just a minor problem, so he fixed it. Then from there, everybody will just get into the bus, and then this is me. I was just trying to show everywhere around where we were. It was in the morning, and then we hit the road. Then here we were in Benue State, Nigeria. So this is me trying to lick some oranges because Benue is the food basket of the nation. And when you come to Benue, you see some oranges. So I was so happy to see food. And I was
Orange is like normal.
state. And I was
You buy 100 and
happy. So I got some
Hey, you buy
oranges
about
and
how many?
and then I gave some people who were with me. So that was
So
a
come to
little
Benue
game
State
was
and
played
enjoy
with them. It was
the
pretty
beauty of
so I think it was about
nature,
six
the beauty of
400
agriculture.
naira. So yeah. So we got into the bus and then by this time I was home already. I was in my destination. Yeah. I got into the tricycle and then with Zoom of this is me this morning. I was happy to see my state, my place where I wanted to be. Thank God for joining us. This is me. Just thinking how I'll get when I eat food. So this is a soup I told my wife to prepare for me, and she prepared so delicious. So when I came, I ate and ate and ate and ate, and then that was my experience from Lagos to Benue State night journey. Bye.